Hello everyone, it's Aparnakan and today we are going to cover a song by the Elements, Birsine Hau Ki. So let's start.